Now, it's important to understand something. Correspondent banking wasn't a mistake. It solved a real problem decades ago. There was no internet, no blockchain, no instant communication. And banks needed trusted relationships to move money across countries. So it worked perfectly well for the longest. And it helped build the modern global trade. But trade has evolved much faster and more globally than payment infrastructure. It's a bit like using yesterday's postal systems for today's digital economy. The world has changed, but the infrastructure has not changed as quickly. This is where technologies like blockchain begin to matter. Not because government wants everyone to trade cryptocurrencies. That's not the point. Blockchain creates a new settlement system. Stablecoins introduce digital money, digital dollars that move 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Artificial intelligence improves fraud detection. Digital identity strengthens trust. Cybersecurity protects the system. So when you combine all of these together, they modernize the financial infrastructure. It's not replacing banks or governments or the central bank of a country. It's making entire system more efficient. And this is why governments everywhere are paying attention.